The laptop world is about to hit a wall, and Apple is the only one with a sledgehammer. For years, we've heard the same story. 10% faster, 5% more efficient, a slightly brighter screen. We got used to the incremental updates. We got bored. But right now, in the high-security labs of Cupertino and the clean rooms of TSMC in Taiwan, something terrifyingly powerful is being born. It's called the M5 Max, and if the early benchmarks and architectural leaks are even half true, it isn't just a refresh. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It is the single biggest jump in computing power we have seen since Apple Silicon first shocked the world in 2020. If you are a filmmaker, a 3D artist, a developer, or just someone who demands the absolute peak of what technology can offer, you need to stop everything. Do not buy a MacBook Pro today. Do not look at the clearance deals on the M3 or M4. Because what is coming in the M5 Max MacBook Pro is going to make current-gen hardware feel like a toy. We are talking about a total transition to the 2-nanometer process, a radical redesign of the thermal architecture, and a dedicated AI engine that makes the current neural engine look like a calculator. In this video, we are breaking down every single secret leak, every supply chain whisper, and every technical specification of the M5 Max MacBook Pro. We're going to look at why this machine exists, why Apple is terrified of the competition from Qualcomm and Nvidia, and why this specific laptop might be the last traditional computer you ever need to buy. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the silicon. The M5 Max isn't just a faster M4. It represents the graphene era of Apple's chip design. For the last few cycles, Apple has been refining the 3-nanometer process. But with the M5, they are pushing into the frontier of 2 nanometers technology. Why does that matter to you? It means more transistors packed into a smaller space than ever before in human history. We are looking at a projected 90 to 100 billion transistors on a single die. To put that in perspective, that's more processing power than the supercomputers of a decade ago, sitting right on your lap. This isn't just about opening Chrome tabs faster. This is about real-time 8K raw video editing with zero proxies. This is about training localized AI models without needing a server farm. But power is nothing without control. The biggest complaint about the current MacBook Pro lineup isn't the speed, it's the thermal throttling. When you push an M3 or M4 Max to its limit, it gets hot. The fans kick in. The performance dips. With the M5 Max, insiders are pointing toward a revolutionary digital vapor chamber. Apple has patented a way to use microscopic fluid channels to move heat away from the chip faster than any traditional copper pipe ever could. This means the M5 Max could potentially sustain its peak turbo clock speeds indefinitely. Imagine rendering a complex 3D animation in Blender or Cinema 4D and seeing the progress bar move at the same speed from the first second to the last. No slowdown. No heat exhaustion. Just raw, unadulterated performance. Now, let's talk about the display, because this is where you'll actually see the difference every day. We've had Liquid Retina XDR for a while, and it's great. But the M5 Max is rumored to debut the Tandem OLED technology on the MacBook Pro.